The problem of Tiprasa'S are an unending tale, which no son of the soil can predict. Now by the reigning of Tipra Motha in ADC, people are expecting to get the limelight of Buba Gara soon or later with great expectations. Over the past few days, the people of the hill tribe, from children to the elderly, have been suffering from various waterborne diseases and are at home without treatment. The incident took place at Noman Joy and Proja Bahadur Molsam in Nuna Chhara ADC village in Mungiakami block of Teliamura subdivision. At this time, these areas are becoming more and more intense for drinking water. To meet the demand for drinking water, they supply drinking water by storing water in rhimes or artificial wells. And this water is unpurified dirty water. And as a result of drinking this uncontrolled drinking water, one has to suffer from various waterborne diseases. According to the news, outbreaks of waterborne diseases have occurred in the two areas in the last few days. Pradeep Molsam, a hill dweller in the area, said he had to suffer from waterborne diseases every year at this time.
Bohok sajagoi tongo khai kubawoi tongo lumnai tongo aborok tongo khai wogrok bo ekdom thaijak ekdom tok bo pun musuk bo khai seirok bo ma safan koreka
কোন এলাকার
পর্যাবাদর মৌসুমপাড়া
কয়জন
মহাসরা
কয়জন লোক
রোগ 10-12 জন
কি হয়েছে তাদের
ভোগ সাজাগো khai khiwo lumo khai kubawo bokrok mehimo
ডাক্তার যায়নি
ডাক্তার মুজি থাঙো রাং করে থাংমায়া ডাক্তার বো থাংমায়া রোগী পয়সা করাইনো বাগै রাং পয়সা করাইনো বাগै
আচ্ছা তেলিয়ামুড়া হসপিটাল নিতে গিয়ে কত টাকা লাগে
তেলিয়ামুড়া হসপিটাল ও থানা খাইবো রাং 1200-1000 নাও গাড়ি ভাড়া খাইবাত गारि भारा दिनाय बिथि दि पाइनाय आम बागै रां करिनो बागै डाक्टर थांमाया हायनो नगो तंगाय तंगता.
This year, 18 to 20 people in those two areas have fallen ill with waterborne diseases and are lying at home without treatment. He also complained that even though there is a primary subcenter in the area, the doctor in charge and the MPW do not go there regularly for some unknown reason. Meanwhile, every family in the area cultivates jhum once in a year as a source of income and says that they have no other means of income than picking up herbs and selling them in the market. He further said that there is nothing in their hands except treatment. Otherwise, they do not know any other way except worship. However, due to financial weakness, they had to face problems. The only way to survive from illness is to bring sick patients from those areas to Teliamura Subdivisional Hospital. The cost of renting a car is from 1000 to 1200 rupees. As a result, they could not be brought to Teliamura Subdivisional Hospital for treatment. Meanwhile, various waterborne diseases have been reported in various remote areas of Mungiakami block this season. Now it remains to be seen when the Teliamura Subdivisional Health Department will conduct health camps in those two areas. It is also to be seen when Buba Gra's executive members and MDCs will visit and solve the problem for the Tiprasa people of the area. Bureau Report, Borok Post. Please subscribe Borok Post for latest news and updates. Follow Borok Post in borokpost.com, Facebook and Twitter.